Good morning, Beardsley Bears. How are you? It is what day is it? Friday, May 15th. That is so hard to believe. We are so excited to see all of you this morning. We have some good information to share with you and some exciting things happening today. So before we get started, let's start with our flag salute. Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Y ahora lo vamos a hacer en español. Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos.
You may be seated. Boys and girls, I hope you've all had a great week this week. We're super excited to see you. And we're going to start a little different today. We're going to start with, guess what? Miss Mata.
I feel like I need new music since we're doing jokes like da 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 da. Thank you to everybody who submitted our call out for jokes. We did get several submissions, even some middle schoolers. So thank you. So we've got quite a few that we want to share. So we're going to weave them in throughout our entire assembly. So we're going to start with maybe, I don't know, as far as you want to do yours and then I'll do mine, and then
Sure.
we'll save the rest for another time.
Sí. Aquí está el primero chiste. ¿Están listos? ¿Sí? Ok. ¿Cuál es el baile favorito del tomate? El baile favorito de un tomate. ¿Sabe qué es? Es la salsa.
La 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 la.
Salsa.
Good one. That one is from Emiliana in Miss Kate's class. So thank you for submitting.
Thank you. Great job.
Woo-hoo. So I have, I'm going to do two since they're siblings. Adrian and Yadira Lopez. Thank you for submitting your jokes. Here is Adrian. Quite funny. You might fall off your chair because you're laughing so hard. Here goes. What do you call a tiger at the North Pole?
A tiger?
Why are you laughing? Lost.
Oh my goodness.
Don't fall off your chair because I got one more for you. This one is from Yadira, and it's actually a teacher joke. So quite fitting. So here we go. What's the difference between a teacher and a train?
Teacher.
Might have given them a little clue right there. The teacher says, "Spit your gum out," and the train says, "Choo choo." Oh, those are awesome.
I wonder if Yadira has been chewing gum lately.
I wonder if her teacher told her to spit it out.
Right. Okay, boys and girls, we will have some more of those for you in just a minute. But I wanted to share with you some exciting news for this next week. On Monday, we are going to have our play day. So we will be asking you to send in your videos and your photos so that we can post them on social media sites, our Facebook, our Instagram, and possibly our Twitter. So normally every year we have a annual play day, and this year, because we're virtual, we still want to make sure all of you are participating and doing something fun on Monday. Of course, you have to do your work, but then we want to make sure you have an opportunity to send in pictures playing. It could be playing a game inside. It could be going outside with your family, being safe. It can be with your siblings. So just be sure to send in those pictures. Also on Wednesday, we are going to be asking you to submit family picnic pictures. So moms and dads, if you can plan something special for your kiddos on Wednesday, we will be asking when you have lunch that you have it with your family. and send in those pictures. As you know, that's another annual event that we have that's a little different this year. So we'll even be asking staff to send in pictures as they enjoy a meal with their families. So be sure to send those in. And Ms. Torres, can you remind them of where to send all those pictures?
Yes, you're going to send them with our handle is at Beardsley Academy for Facebook and Instagram, and Beardsley K8 for Twitter.
Awesome. So don't forget that. Also on Friday, we know that you have all been working hard, and Friday, May 22nd, we are going to ask you to submit pictures for movie days. So we would like, even if it's whether it's in the morning or in the evening, whenever it is, when you're enjoying time with your family, having a time to have a movie, maybe with some popcorn and goodies, send those pictures in because we want to keep that tradition going. You have all been working extremely hard. That will be your last day of working for the distance plan. So be sure to send in those pictures. But don't worry, we'll be sending all that information home, and we will also be posting so you don't forget. With that said, on Friday, the 22nd, and Monday, the 26th, any completed work we will be collecting as early as Friday, but it is not all due until not Monday, Tuesday. You don't have school on Monday, the 25th. So be sure that you continue to work hard. This is our crunch time. Next week is the last week of staying focused and pushing through. Yes, like Miss Mata, just keep running, keep running the marathon. You're going to get there. You guys have been doing a great job. So, whew, yes, sorry. Had to adjust my camera.
Forgot one thing with all these announcements.
What was that, Miss Mata?
You forgot Hawaiian Date.
Oh my gosh.
Another month. Our last one.
Our last one. So look at that. On Friday, on next Friday's assembly, we will be having our Student of the Month assembly, as well as Hawaiian theme. Aloha. We could just pretend that we're in Hawaii next week, okay? So make sure you send in those pictures that day. Wow, there's a lot to remember, but don't worry, I will send all of this to your parents, and I bet you anything, your teachers will also be sending you this information. So I think it's time to share some more because I'm ready for a good
for
laugh.
Another joke?
I think, yeah. Ready? And gotta do it because I gotta do it all the time, right? Miss Mata!
Okay, so Jack Fitzgibbons, he sent in 2 animal jokes. So we're gonna do his 2 right now. The first one is, what is a cow's favorite holiday? Not Christmas.
Moo.
Moo Year's Eve. That was a good one.
Good one.
Now, it's only fitting that we have a duck joke as well. So this is also from Jack. What time do ducks wake up?
Quack. Quack.
You almost figure them out every single time. You give them lots of clues, Miss Romero. You don't even know the answers.
I don't.
That's the quack of dawn. That's the quack of dawn.
I was just saying what they say and thinking quack. Quack of dawn.
Oh, thank you, Jack, for submitting those. I do have 3 more. I don't know. Should we do them now or after our chant?
Why don't we do them after our chant?
Okay.
So we are going to now. Oh, you know what though, Miss Mata? I forgot my special glasses, but I think I want to make sure that everybody's ready for this. So, Jack, Ellie, and Brady, let's make sure that you're ready. Are you ready? Could you give me a thumbs up? Okay, all right. Isabel's ready. Okay, Matthew, Jennifer. Okay, you guys are ready. Okay, all right. I'm gonna find more of you after. I'm gonna see who did a really good job. So with that said, you know what time it is? It's time for our stretches. So everybody please stand up and reach for the ceiling. And touch your toes. And stand up. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And roll your head. But don't roll it too much because it might roll off. Okay. All right. And now, oh, I almost forgot. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! And again, 1, 2, 3, boom! Okay, here we go. Are you ready, Miss Martha?
I'm getting my signs ready.
Are you ready, Miss Torres?
I am ready.
Just keep moving around a lot today. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Great job, boys and girls. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That was awesome. Oh, wow. I saw, oh my gosh. Anna Marie, great job. Juan Pablo, great job. Oh my goodness. Oh, and Adrian, I can't forget you. But all of you did such a great job today with that. But still time to listen. So let's see who continues to listen. And one more time. Boy, I'm just saying this a lot. Maybe we should change the music since it is jokes. I don't know.
Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da.
Okay. Da-da-da-da. Miss Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. With her jokes of the day.
Whoop. Okay, our final 3 jokes. This first one is from Amy Benilla, and it's quite funny. How does the moon cut their hair? If you learned about the phases of the moon, you might know the answer. Eclipse it.
I bet somebody
Get
got
it? Eclipse, clips. Woo. All right, this next one is from Crystal Quevedo Herrera. And it is, what do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dino snore.
Snore.
You need a horn or a whistle to whoop whoop. So hilarious.
I know.
And our last
We
one.
have one more. Sorry.
We do have one more. Are you ready?
Ready.
Where do pencils go on vacation? Being that we're getting ready for summer break, where do pencils go on vacation?
Pencil sharpener?
Pennsylvania.
Those were good jokes.
Oh, they were so awesome. We had to include all of them this week, guys. But if you still want to submit jokes, we have one more week that we're going to do our assembly. So you can submit them to my email at armata@duarteusd.org. Send those jokes so we can read some more next week, guys.
I have one last announcement before we go, and I know we did things a little differently today, but guess what, boys and girls? We have a very exciting opportunity, or not opportunity, but we have a very, very exciting news. We are going to be selling a yearbook. Is that not cool? We are still going to be selling a yearbook. I will be sending out information to your parents if you would like to purchase one for $15. The yearbook will be mailed to your home so that we are following safety precautions. But aren't you excited? I know, me too. I could hear you guys. Awesome job. Yes, I'm so exciting. It's so exciting to, I love seeing all of you jump up and down in front of your TVs right now. So that is really exciting. We have to thank Miss Chu because she has been putting that together and working with all the teachers to gather pictures. So round of applause for Miss Chu. But make sure you ask your parents about checking their emails so that they can get that form sent or fill out the form. And we will give you days that exact amount of money can be turned in. And we will only be taking the exact amount because we got to be safe. So other than that, boys and girls, don't forget this week or look during the week if you have any Hawaiian gear, because next Friday we want to see lots and lots of pictures. It will be, sadly, our last flag assembly next week. But we will be make sure that we continue to keep in touch. So again, make sure you email Miss Mata. Make sure you're geared up for next week. There's going to be lots of picture taking, and we can't wait for that. So with that said, boys and girls, we hope that you have a fabulous weekend. Stay safe. And remember to make good choices because the choice is yours. Yours and yours and yours and yours. Okay. So with that said, it is time to sign off and we hope you enjoy your day. Thank you, Miss Mata, for the jokes. Thank you, Miss Torres, for the jokes. And we will see you all next week on Hawaiian Day. Bye.
Adios.